Hey everyone. Hey, good afternoon. I'm here in Houston. It's a beautiful Thursday. Going around door knocking and introduce myself as a local realtor. And it's just a beautiful neighborhood. It's a beautiful day today. And definitely go outside and enjoy your day today. It's a beautiful Thursday here in Houston and surrounding areas. So hopefully I'll be coming to your neighborhood soon and door knocking. And hope to get a chance to meet you. Y'all have a great day and God bless. All right, hey, James Dickerson here once again. I'm done with my door knocking. I started at 2 o'clock and it's like 5:35 right now. So I touched 200 people today door knocking. And it's been awesome. I had a lot of great experiences today. So I am thankful for that right there. And I will continue to do what I do. And hope to come to your neighborhood soon. Y'all have a great day. God bless. All right, happy Easter to you all.